Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and as you see from the title, today I'm bringing you a hair review, or rather a wig review, or informative video about this new fixed scalp method that has been going on us, that has been introduced by Precious Marie, but put on a larger scale by Hair Vivi. So this, I will be showing you the clip of the inside of the cap. First of all, let me tell you something. This wig I'm wearing is not from Hair Vivi, okay? It's absolutely not from Hair Vivi, and it's almost this, I think, not almost, it is the same quality. It is the same, how can I say, I don't want to, like, let me just say it. I believe this is the company that provide Hair Vivi their wigs. For the only reason or proof I have for this is because when this hair company send me the pictures of the fixed scalp method and thinking, they send me a video of the model of one of these Chinese girl wearing this wig, and she removing it and turning the wig upside down, and the model that they show in the video and the pictures they send me after, they send me are exactly the same pictures Hair Vivi are putting on their website. So I do believe this is the company that provide wigs for Hair Vivi. This being said, if you want to try the fixed scalp method and don't want to start from buying a wig that starts at almost $200 US, this company provide very good quality wigs from the starting point, I think even of less than $100, and you can still have the fixed scalp method. But the whole video is about, is the fixed scalp method worth it or not? Now, as you can see, what they simply did is they just took a stocking cap and they sew it on the lace part of the wig, on the inside part of it, and they did that with a very fine, small white thread, so you can't really detect the thread, but the wig cap is not glue on the cap, and the stocking cap is not glue on the cap, but it's just sew through around the cap. This means that you are going to have a demarcation in between where the stocking caps end and the lace wig hairline is. Okay, so keep that in mind. I will show you in the video as well. As you can see, maybe because I'm playing it through a sort of background video, you can see when I show you the parting on the wig, when I try it on and it's on my head, there is a tiny demarcation mark. It's not as, something really serious. It's something you can camouflage easily with powder or other things. The construction of the wig itself is very comfortable, and behind the wig already comes with an elastic band, and the elastic band is the adjustable one, the one that many companies now are trying to introduce, just like the Hair Vivi adjustable elastic band girl. Okay, and this being said, and the wig itself is very comfortable. I don't know how they constructed their wig, but I've been wearing many wigs from many company, and I can say this wig, I feel it on my head. I feel it really secure, but not in a tight way that is hurting my head. I just feel it anatomically secure and comfortable on my hair, and the curl girls are just popping. The curls are popping and I like it. Now let's go back to the fixed scalp method. Is it worth you spending the money on it? My question is or I don't know how else to say it, is I don't believe it is worth for anybody to rush to have this type of wigs. Personally, for me, this is a very good alternative for people who, like me, doesn't like to do the bulk cap method or gluing the lace wig down. I am one of those girls that don't just have the time for that, and I think the hassle behind bulk cap method and gluing lace down and this and that is not worth for the longevity that technique give you, because let's be honest, it doesn't last you. Not like, let's say you do the bulk cap method and you just want to remove your wig at night, it's not going to last long, and I just find it that it's too much stress for what really I need for my daily life. And having the fake cap method already like in your wig, it making much more easier for you to have a really realistic wig looking board cap method, but with most, how can I say, with most, I don't know how to say, make you move with more flexibility. That's what I'm saying. Personally, with this wig, the company already bleached the knots, and the only thing is that I believe they didn't really like wash it properly. The knots and the lace look a bit yellowy, but it's not anything too big for me. I just put a little bit of, let me see, powder on the parting line. It still look a bit yellow, but once the light is off and with ordinary light, it doesn't look that much yellow. I'm not one of those girls who do that detectable, you know, gluing perfect flawless what lace thing. But let me just come closer for you to see which way. This way. This is the lace being secure unis with 1, 2, 3 lace tape. So one at the forehead of my temple, no, one at my forehead and 2 at my temple, and just a tiny bit of got to be spray to lay the lace down. And this is how the lace look like. Okay, now this method is nice when you want to be flipping your hair up and down. So let's just do a text, please. I'm looking down because I have my viewfinder and I want to really see what I'm recording and show you. Let's say if you want to flip your hair up and down, especially if you're having curly hair and it's summertime, you know, oh, what we like to do with our curly hair. So if I should flip this wig and someone to see, will be able to see any scalp, this is what will the person see. Let me see. Ugh. Okay, so this is what the person will see. With the first scalp method, I mean, it looks quite nice. Let me see if I can disturb this side as well. How should I turn for you to see? I don't know if you can see anything. I'm not wearing my glasses. I find it difficult to see anything, but that is what you will see if you should be flipping your hair up and down. Let me see. Oh god, I didn't glue this part down. I didn't do anything, just slap on my head, neither this side. But let's see if you want to flip your hair, do some parting with your hands, how it look with the full scalp method. There, how it look. So how was my hair looking before like this? All right, let me just see myself in the mirror a second. I look all crazy now. Oh. Oh, I like it now like this. Nice, big and fluffy. Lipstick on my teeth as usual. So that is my overall thought. I really wanted to try this full scalp method, and for me personally, is a knee. I mean, is yes. Let me just be sincere. I like it because I can have with this company bleach knots, a face cap underneath my cap. I don't have to think of it. And personally, even having the face cap method, I still wear a wig cap underneath my wig. And lately I've been trying the Carly Bible wig cap method. I know that's crazy. That is wearing 2 wig caps under your wigs, and that's, it looks strange, but it does make a difference. The wig can feel much more secure and comfortable. I don't know how that is possible, but it does. And if you want to give this fake scalp method a try, go ahead and do it. If you don't want to spend all the coins the head VV charge you to have one of their wig, I will put the link in the info box down below of where I got this wig from. I don't really mind sharing the vendor because it's not the vendor I use to sell my my products, or I can tell you that their hair quality is good. Have used their hair before in the past. The hair quality is really good, sincerely speaking. It's really good, and the wig construction, let me just repeat it once more, is extraordinary. The wig construction is really nice. When they come to lace, the lace quality look pretty good. It looks very, for any of you who like doing the gluing down thinking, this wig quality will look flawless. I'm not one of the girl who like doing the gluing down thinking. For that reason, I don't like plugins. Like when companies started pre-plugging their wigs, that was like a heartbreak for me. I don't like plugging closure frontal because I just believe it's a scam. Your wig lasts 1/10 less of the time. Like your wigs last less because the wig keep on balding. You just keep on cutting the lace, and I'm like, if somebody's gluing this thing down, your wig is not going to last more than 3 to 4 installation, girl. So that's how I feel about pre-plucking. If you're a celebrity or if you have money, do that. But if you don't have money, girl, these pre-plucking things is drying our pocket dry. But this being said, that is all. I just wanted to come with a quick review, and sincerely speaking, I'm feeling the hair now. I'm really feeling this look. I was not really sure about the short curl. I'm 24 inches girl, okay? I'm a 24, 22 inches, 20 inches when I want to be modest, but I'm really loving these short 12-inch curls I'm having on. Let me know what you think, and I will leave all the information down below. Make sure to click that bell, the subscription bell, because more hair video are coming, more interesting video as well, except hair video, makeup, clothing and other things will be on this channel. Especially these couple of weeks, I have so many video planned out and things to show you. So please make sure to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and ask me anything that I wasn't clear in the video, because sometimes I just talk and don't really deliver all the information. So make sure to leave your comment, and I will leave all my contact and social media. Ciao.